Hey everyone! Getting your Google Maps API key for free in 2026 is still possible through Google's generous recurring monthly credits. While Google recently transitioned from a flat $200 credit to free usage caps per service, effective March 2025, most low to medium traffic websites still operate entirely for free. Step 1. Searching and selecting the platform. We're starting with a Google search. We're heading to the official Google Maps platform website. We do this to ensure you are entering the correct portal for developers rather than the standard consumer Maps app. Search for Google Maps Platform and select the first official result, usually mapsplatform.google.com. Now click the Get Started or Create an Account button. Step 2. Project initialization and industry selection. Now we're in the registration flow. We're heading to the industry and use case prompts. We do this so Google can recommend the best API services like maps, routes, or places based on your specific needs. You'll be asked to name your project and select your industry, like real estate, retail, education. If you aren't prompted, click the project selector at the top and hit New Project. Step 3. Linking the payment method. We're heading to the billing setup. We do this because Google requires an active billing account to verify your identity and handle any traffic that exceeds the free monthly tier. About 28,000 map loads per month are free. After that, you can finishing at the Credentials dashboard and heading to the Create Credentials button to generate the actual code that connects your website to Google Maps. A pop-up will appear showing your new API key. Copy it immediately. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.